morning, students. Today we will study about the Mycoplasma. The first member of this group to be described by Knockard and Rocks in 1898 was the agent of the bovine pleuropneumonia, and as a result, Mycoplasma were long designated as PPLO, pneumonia-like organism. Bright and Donaton in 1923 and 25 for the first time succeeded in cultivating the similar organism to be responsible for contagious milk fever in goat. Later on, it was found the similar organism caused a type of pneumonia called primary atypical pneumonia in man. It was in 1967 that Doit et al. And Ishii et al. Reported that the yellow disease in many plants which were earlier thought to be caused by virus are called by mycoplasma. Since their characteristics have been thoroughly studied in 1956, the International Committee of Nomenclature of Bacteria recognizes that these organisms are different from bacteria, to be placed in a separate class, molluscute. Mm, the class molluscute consists of two genera, namely the Mycoplasma and Acyloplasma, placed in a family Mycoplasmaceae and Acyloplasmataceae, respectively, on the basis of their sterol requirement for growth. In these Mycoplasmataceae, the mycoplasma are placed which require sterol for their growth and which do not require sterols are placed in the family Echiloplasmataceae. Characteristics of mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are the smallest, usually non-motile prokaryotic unicellular organism capable of independent growth and metabolism. They differ from all the other bacteria in that they have no peptidoglycan containing cell wall, and unlike L form, they cannot be reverted to wall organism. Due to the absence of a rigid cell wall, the cell takes an irregular shape and are insensitive to penicillin and other type of antibiotics which specially affect peptidoglycan synthesis. Both aerobic and anaerobic species are recognized. They can grow in the cell-free media in the form of a small flat colonies exhibiting a characteristic fried egg appearance. Like eukaryotes, they usually require sterols for the growth. They differ from virus in their cell contain, uh, contain both DNA and RNA. They are insensitive to enzyme and penicillin and but are killed by tetracycline and other antibiotics which affect the cell metabolism rather than the wall. Occurrence. Some species are found growing as saprophytes in the decaying organic matter of the soil and sewage, whereas others are responsible for a number of diseases in plants, animals, and also in human beings. They are also known to cause number of plant disease and infect the insect vector that transmit these disease. Plant disease. Important plant disease caused by the mycoplasmas are the alfalfa witch broom, ester yellow caused by the peanut witch broom, coconut lethal yellowing corn stern, potato purple top, tobacco yellow dwarf, vinca rosea yellow, sugarcane white leaf. These are the disease produced by mycoplasma in the plant. Animal diseases. A number of mycoplasma have been found in a pathogenic condition of the lower animals such as sheep, goat, dog, rats, and mice. Bovine pleuropneumonia and infectious egalacia are the example of animal disease. Human disease. A number of mycoplasma example M. Salvivarium, Mycoplasma pharyngea, Mycoplasma pneumonia, and Mycoplasma hominis are associated with the disease of various organisms in man, such as the rheumatic or arthritic disease, infection of the mammary gland, respiratory tract, and adjacent tissue, and inflammation of the gastrourinary system. Mycoplasma pneumonia causes primary atypical pneumonia in man. This kind of pneumonia was long thought to be caused by the virus. The human infertility is caused by two species of mycoplasma, the Mycoplasma hominis and Mycoplasma fermentans. Recently, mycoplasma have been isolated from and observed in the human in a benign human tumor. The morphological and structure of mycoplasma. Due to the absence of the rigid cell wall, the cell of the mycoplasma are delicate, highly plastic, and easily deformed. It is accordingly difficult to describe their form, which varies with the condition of culture. Mycoplasma cells are highly pleomorphic. They may be of a small coccoid or spherical bodies, or sometimes filamentous form, which may be branched spherical form measure 75 to 150 micron. Pleomorphic bodies measure 210 to 435 micron, and among them large pleomorphic form or bulbous form measure up to 100 micron. Some form of these organisms are so small that they can pass through the bacterial filter. These forms are often called the smallest living entities capable of independent growth and metabolism. Recent studies with the help of electron microscope point out that the internal structure of mycoplasma is a typical of prokaryote and closely resembles that of other bacteria, except that there is a typical layer external membrane in place of a cell wall. The cell structure consists essentially of cell membrane, ribosome, and prokaryotic nucleus. The the cell membrane is 8 to 15 micron thick and consists of two electron dense layers separated by a clear space. Chemically, the membrane consists of lipid and cholesterol. They lack characteristic bacterial cell wall component and such as muramic acid and diaminophenolic acid, and have a higher lipid content than bacteria. Lipid content constitute 40% of the cell dry weight. Protein constitute 80% of the dry weight of the whole cell. Mycoplasma also differ from bacteria in their cytoplasmic membrane contain the sterols which stabilize the membrane and protect the cell against the osmotic lysis. Due to the absence of cell wall, mycoplasma are resistant to enzyme and penicillin. However, they are sensitive to tetracycline and some other antibiotic which affect their cell metabolism. The cytoplasm consists of 70S ribosome containing RNA, a network of the nuclear material of fibrils, DNA, one or more electron dense, and some empty vacuoles. There is no evidence of any intercellular membrane mesosome like structure. The DNA is two standard circular filament. The mycoplasma generally contain less DNA and any other free living bacteria than any other free living bacteria. Among the about 1,200 different macromolecule including DNA, RNA, component, ribosome and enzymes, and a protein and lipids are present in each cell. About 40 different kinds of enzyme have been reported. Mycoplasma are unique organism because they are resemble bacteria in many respects and are prokaryotic. They have present as a component of the cell membrane of eukaryote are found in the mycoplasma. The compounds of lipid known as the cholesterol and cholesterol enter that are characteristics of animal cell are found in mycoplasma. These compounds are not found in bacteria. The cell possesses membrane-bound vesicles whose chemical nature and function is not clear. It is probably built of protein and lipid. No nucleic acid have been detected. Another characteristic of this species is that of the ribosomes are arranged in a helical superstructure. The form of cell is also unique, resembling a Coca-Cola bottle with the bleb at the top. Enzyme system and the metabolic characteristic of the mycoplasm differ somewhat from that of the bacteria, but in general the difference are not extreme. Thank you.